Right, a couple more involved questions. Well, the reason they're involved questions is that there's two triangles. So, don't panic, just follow the method. I'll find my pen, I'll write down my rule down the bottom here. What is that rule? C squared AB. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Bang. There are three pieces that I need to proceed. I guess one of them can be unknown, or I need to have at least two numbers. So the whole trick with this question is, which triangle do I do first? Let's draw them separately. This one's got a 2, a 5, and an X. The other triangle has got a, too close to the edge, has got a 4, an X, and a Y. Not a great 4, not an excellent looking 4. Let's try it better. Look at that. Getting a bit smudgy, getting a bit late. Now, I hope people can see that this triangle I can do because it's got two numbers and one unknown. And this triangle I can't do yet because it's got two letters. I can't work something out with two letters. So, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C, A, B. 5 squared equals X squared plus 2 squared. 25 equals X squared plus 4. Want to get this one by itself. 25 take 4 equals 21. X equals the square root of 21. Now I'm going to stop there. Square root of 21, I could work it out as a decimal. Let's go over here. We get this to go again. C, A, B. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Now we're just around the edge of the field of view here. I now can write square root of 21 there. So, C squared is the square root of 21 all squared equals A squared. My picture is 4 squared. And here is the mysterious Y. So what I've done here is I've found one of the letters. So when I go to the second triangle, I have two numbers and one letter. Okay, so go back to it. C squared is this one squared. A squared is this number squared. B squared is the Y squared. And here is my friend that I'm looking for. So the square of the square root of 21 is 21. Equals 16 plus Y squared. 21 take 16 is 5. Equals Y squared. So this question now is Y is the square root of 5. So I was able to do the two parts by working out which triangle I could do first, which triangle I would do second. Okay, boom. Having a look at question 9 here. I can see I don't know this side here. I do know this, so that's 5, this is 5. I don't know this, so this triangle here, there's two parts that I don't know. This triangle here, there's one part I know, two parts I know, and one part I don't know. So your job in this situation is you to put your own variable in here. Please don't call it X because there's already an X there. So let's look at this picture, the ACD. Right, just pause while I wipe this clean. So now that we've cleaned the whiteboard with a laser, we'll proceed. So we decided that we're going to use this triangle first. Not sure why I'm doing it so big. 6, 5, Y. A, B, C. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. 6 squared equals Y squared plus 5 squared. 36 equals Y squared plus 25. Bit of subtracting. 36 take 25 equals what? 11 equals Y squared. So Y equals the square root of 11. So now I've got this, I can go through and do the second picture. Just to help my teacher out, and let's draw off that section. Here's the second part of the picture. I've worked out what this number is now. It is the square root of 11, 5, and the mysterious x that we need. Oh, I hope everybody understands if that's a right angle, this is also a right angle. That's how life is. 90 plus 90 is 180. So let's do this one. C, A, B. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Experimenting here, can you see it when I write small? 5 equals x squared plus square root of 11 squared. Let's write that out bigger. Five squared, please. So 25 equals x squared plus 11. Subtract that 11 across. 25 take 11 equals 14 equals x squared. So with this question, get rid of the x squared, square root of 14. All right. So to recap, these steps, they're all fine. Your job in these harder questions is to work out which triangle I can use first. This triangle had two numbers that were already, right? Once we moved it across, so I could work out the third one, but this triangle only had one number. Not really easy to work out. Right, good luck with Pythagoras. I've done a couple of each section, so you'll be able to do the other questions and have a look at the solutions. Awesome. Time to celebrate with a little dance.